Do you have any functions we have here in Davao to represent national pageant?
My experience kasi, the Mutya is really an advocate for the city tourism. We work closely coming tatlo. We work very closely with the city tourism to advance tourism for the projects that they do have. But there is no, well, it's a hope, no? It's a vision that we like to have the Mutya in Davao represent Davao in the nationals. But for now, it is my understanding that there is no formal structure and mechanism to do that. But our primary role is different as Mutya in Davao. So that's just to explain further how we differentiate from the local to the national.
How about the coming Davao ng Davao? Do you have any function about that? The arena ng Davao?
Last year was my first time to be invited, or the past Mutya ng Davao to be invited with the Dual Davao. Actually, that's when we did the Spugomi. That's when we did the Spugomi World Cup, and we were able to send Davao City team to Japan and to compete with other 33 countries. That's why it's being called World Cup. So, and then not only that, we have also the other one, the Blue Santa. I already have explained that earlier. It's almost the same as the Spugomi. It's about the wastes in the ocean. And that's why it's called Blue Santa, because blue for the water, and Santa being a Santa Claus to the generations to come. That is the idea. And then, I was also a judge. One of the judges, we were also part of the judging a panel of the Reina ng Davao. Yeah, and then we were also, actually we were invited in all the activities. That's why I was saying earlier that Ma'am Jen Romero was really someone who pushed us and who really supported us, because she has a vision that we can be a very, very great association. Because seriously, we're ambitioning to be a foundation. And one day, if this will happen like the big activity awards, like the fashion show, that will really, the funds that we will be raising will really have an impact to the Davaoenyo populace.